Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the new Dunns Electrical Building that's being built off Red Hills Road. This is a building straight ahead. As you can see, it's about 7 stories, and we're just giving you an update to show you how far they've reached with the construction. And after we show you the building, we'll drive around and show you the storefront, the existing building for Dunns Electrical. Actually, this might be a 6-story building. It's either 6 or 7 stories. But in today's Jamaica, this is considered a small building. Anything less than 10 floors is considered small, as the buildings are getting taller and taller and taller. They've reached 20 floors now, but the Rogers is 20 floors, and that's now the tallest building in Jamaica, but the Ascent is going to be 27 and the Pinnacle is going to be 28. And numerous buildings that are over 10 stories or 10 floors are under construction. Now, Dunns Electrical, they deal with electrical stuff, as the name implies, but they are expanding into other product lines. So that's why they need additional space. Straight ahead is the Trade Center. And this is another view of the building. And that road that is in front of us is Red Hills Road. So straight ahead is a trade center. It's a complex, a commercial complex where you have a storefront at the front and then a warehouse behind it. So it's a mix between a storefront and a warehouse. Very popular establishment on Red Hills Road. Alright, so this is Red Hills Road we're on now, and we're going to drive through the front section of Dunns Electrical. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.